Welcome! If you want to make sure you never miss an important message from your friends or favorite group chats on Instagram, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple, updated steps to turn on chat notifications for individual messages on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your device and head straight to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're on your profile page, look for the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu or the icon, at the top right corner. Tap on it to open up the main menu. From here, select Settings and Privacy. This section is your control center for customizing your Instagram experience. Scroll down until you find Notifications and tap on it. This is where you can manage all your notification preferences, from likes and comments to direct messages. Next, tap on Messages. This will bring up options specifically for message notifications. Here's the important part. Look for the section labeled Messages from Individual and Group Chats. This setting controls whether or not you receive notifications when someone sends you a direct message or a group chat message. To make sure you never miss a message, select the On option. This will enable notifications for both individual and group chats, so you'll get an alert every time someone reaches out to you directly. That's it! You've now successfully turned on chat notifications for individual messages on Instagram. With these settings, you'll always be in the loop and ready to respond to any conversation, whether it's a quick hello from a friend or an important update in a group chat. If you ever want to adjust your notification preferences, just follow these steps again and choose the option that works best for you. Stay connected, stay updated, and enjoy chatting on Instagram.